AirPods Pro 3 use optical sensors, accelerometers, and gyroscopes to detect when they're in your ears, enabling auto pause and resume. Optical infrared sensors detect proximity to your ear, while accelerometers and gyroscopes track motion and orientation. If both ears aren't detected, features fail. Common causes include dirt on the sensors, firmware glitches, Bluetooth interference, or differences in ear shape. First, clean your AirPods thoroughly with a soft, dry cloth or compressed air. Next, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 are running the latest firmware. Update via Settings, General, Software Update on your connected iPhone or iPad. Then, toggle ear detection off and back on in Settings, Accessibility, AirPods. Finally, perform a reset of the AirPods by holding the Setup button on the charging case for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. If this doesn't resolve the problem, continue to the next section. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the issue might be hardware-related. Some users find success using third-party apps like Earbud Analyzer to diagnose sensor issues. Ensure Bluetooth isn't being heavily interfered with. In iOS settings, experiment with turning off automatic ear detection and using manual controls for ANC and transparency mode. If the problem persists, especially after trying these steps, it's likely a hardware defect. Contact Apple support for diagnostics and potential free replacement under warranty, particularly if physical damage isn't a factor. If the issue arose after a drop or impact, that may be the root cause, and a replacement may be necessary at cost. Note that moisture buildup can also affect the IR sensors. Allow the AirPods to dry completely if exposed to humidity or sweat. Remember, many users have solved the issue with the solutions mentioned, so keep trying.